Say goodbye to high cholesterol with these 7 amazing spices that will keep your heart healthy and happy. All right, let's dive into the world of heart health and cholesterol levels. Did you know that heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide? That's why it's crucial for us to explore natural ways to lower cholesterol levels and promote a healthy heart. Today, we're going to talk about something exciting: spices. Yes, you heard it right. We'll be discussing 7 spices that can help lower cholesterol and support heart health. So let's spice things up and get started. High cholesterol levels can pose a significant risk to our heart health if not managed effectively. It's essential to understand the impact it can have on our overall well-being. But fret not, because nature has provided us with some incredible spices that can come to our rescue. Let's explore these 7 specific spices that have been shown to help lower cholesterol levels and promote heart health. From turmeric to cinnamon to garlic, each spice comes with its unique benefits. Not only do they add flavor to our dishes, but they also pack a powerful punch in terms of health benefits. Now let's get to the climax, the key benefits of each spice. These spices can help reduce inflammation, improve blood circulation, and lower LDL cholesterol levels. Incorporating them into your daily meals can make a significant difference in maintaining a healthy heart. In conclusion, we've covered the main points about these 7 spices that can lower cholesterol and promote heart health. Remember, small changes in your diet can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. So don't forget to add these heart-healthy spices to your meals. Before we wrap up, I want to encourage you to try using these spices in your cooking. Share your favorite heart-healthy recipes in the comments below and subscribe for more health tips and recipes. Let's take a step towards a healthier heart together. Cheers to good health!